We are already late to the stream. I was busy making breakfast for my dad.
This particular AI video was not created using Grok. It was created using another tool that I'm going to show you before the end of this video. If you are someone that is into all this folktale story, AI and faceless channel, and you cannot afford Grok subscription plan or any other AI videos, AI generating videos, then I'm going to show you a free method on how to generate short videos like that. Then you can now edit it and merge it how you want it. Hello everyone, my name is Luciana Visual, and on this channel we learn all about AI, editing, content creation and every good tips. In case you are looking for a channel that you will learn AI for free, look for any of those free tools to explore before they become paid version, then this channel is for you. But please, before we dive into the video, please subscribe. Before we dive into deep into this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you. So if you are wondering on how to create this, so the website we're going to use Qwen AI. Qwen AI is free and is unlimited. You can create your video for 5 seconds. But you can create a 5-second video using Qwen. So let's watch this short tutorial as I'm going to take you through on how I create this particular video. Thank you.
So I first thing I came to ChatGPT to generate my image and also a short script. So I already typed the kind of image I want. I just wanted it to generate me an animated image, so you can see here. So after I generated the animated image, I asked him just to give me write a 5-second script with short conversation between them. I just want something 5 second because Qwen AI is 5 second. So after back and forth with ChatGPT, this is what we settle in. So right now we are going to go to Qwen AI to generate our video. So once you log into Qwen, this is how it is. So you can even chat. This place you can generate also your image and everything. To your Qwen, this is how it's going to look like. Then you can come to this plus button and click on this image icon so that you can load your image. This is my phone. I have issue in loading image, so but let me see whether I finally load the image. Look at the image down there. So you click on that sign and click on create video. Then once you click on create video, you paste your prompt. You see this prompt? The scene: two ladies walking side by side on a village path, water pot in a hand, heading towards the stream. So the conversation between this lady 1 and lady 2 is too long for just 5-second video, so I'm going to shorten the conversation. Sister, make we hurry up, make we hurry oh. You are right, the stream will still feel crowded. Okay, let's try with this one and see whether it's going to work. So generating video in Qwen normally takes some seconds, so we are going to come back maybe later. As you can see, it's in 6%, so I'm gonna come back once it's generated everything.
Sister, make we hurry. You are right, oh. The stream fit soon full with people.
I heard the prince will soon pick a wife. I hope I will be the chosen one.
Sister, make we hurry. You are right, oh, the stream fit soon full with people.